Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10, and today I will show you how you can enable your Do Not Disturb mode. So all you need to do is pull down your notifications like I just did, expand it, and in here you'll find Do Not Disturb toggle. Now there's technically two ways you can go about it, because at least the version that I have of the tablet is just an SD version, so I don't have SIM in it. So one way would be just to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, or the other way you can do it is by turning off Wi-Fi. Now, Do Not Disturb mode just blocks visual and sound cues from notifications, while turning off Wi-Fi will basically remove the accessing of these notifications or anything that I have received altogether. So if you get a message from WhatsApp or something like that, you won't have a pop-up whatsoever. You won't even see that message at all till you connect to network. Well, Do Not Disturb mode will just block the sound and the visuals associated with the message that I have received. So anyway, you can tap on either one. Now when it comes onto the actual Do Not Disturb mode, you can also hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize how the actual mode functions. So we have things like turning on schedules, and we have things like alarm sounds and turn on now. So this is just a toggle, events, more schedules. So it looks like we don't really have too many things associated with the customization of this mode. We can just turn it on now and have alarm sounds and then schedules. So yeah, that's about it. So anyway, like I said, you can turn on either one of them. And that's about it. So there we go. As you can see, tap on it and it's now turned on. Once you're done with the Do Not Disturb mode itself, you can just tap on it again and it will go back to functioning normally. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.